How to fix something went wrong while recording a video on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram. Now scroll down. Now tap on storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart Instagram. Also make sure to have enough storage for Instagram to record video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.